Hello guys, my name is Rafael and today I'm gonna teach you the easiest method there is to bulk create Solana wallets. So if you are searching a method to create as many wallets as you want, you found it. Just watch this video until the end. So the first thing you're gonna do, you're gonna click on the link below. This is gonna start our solution right here that you are looking. You click start or you type /start. And you're gonna receive this first information. This is your wallet. This wallet will be created just for you, and it's connected to your Telegram account. So any tool you use from us, you're gonna use the same wallet. This is the same wallet that's gonna pop up for you. So keep it safe. You need to found 0.01 Solana to pay the fees of this transaction. This is the only fee you pay. You can create as many Solana wallets as you want. So I want to create 1,000 wallets. Yes, you can create just with this fee. If you have any doubts, if you have anything that you need support or anything, you can talk with a human. We are always helping our community, always helping anyone that has any doubt or I don't know, needs some help. And also we have now the referral program where you can earn through referring our tools. So you refer from someone, and if someone uses our tool, you receive this on this wallet that you have. Okay, so it's really easy. It's just 2 steps. Found your wallet and then choose the amount of wallets you want to create. If you want to create 10, 11, 100, 10,000 wallets, you just type it there and just wait a bit and you will receive your wallet's address. You're gonna receive your public address and your private address. And with this information right now, we're just gonna copy this and I'm gonna show you how you can recover all these wallets. So with now your wallets copied, all you need to do is go to your Google Sheets or your Excel and place the wallets here, and then you select the first row. You're gonna go to data, divide text by columns, and then you have your public address and then your private keys. This is all you need to recover your wallets, and now you can have 10,000 of wallets, as many wallets as you want. This is the easiest method. If this helps you, follow us, like and share. Now you can earn from our tools. If you share this tool using our Telegram bot, you can earn. You can earn for each transaction happens on our solutions. The token creator, liquidity pool, volume bot, trading bot, our solutions have referrals program right now. And also you can get in touch with us if you have any kind of problem. Thank you and see you next.